Assalamu alaikum, Anis Afzal here and you watching hashtag Anis. Today I have a surprise for you. I'm going to collab with big YouTuber and he's a very humble guy. I met him 2 years ago. Today I met again and performed the Juma together. भाई आज हम मिलेंगे और एक साथ जुमा पढ़ेंगे. First we will go for a breakfast and then we Juma perform together. So let's go. As you can see, today's weather is so cold because the snow is coming soon, inshallah. So we are going there. Actually, Daud came last night from Korea, so he stayed our house. So I came here. He's coming. So now we go to the Juma. Hey Daud, how are you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Juma Mubarak, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man. Are you filming?
No.
Okay. Only for a Juma. Nice. Are you filming right now? For a vlog.
Oh yeah, this is a new.
Last night was cold?
It was very cold. Choke.
So.
So cold.
Yeah, but you are looking fresh now.
Thank you.
Juma Mubarak. Where we are right now?
We are in Ayub Sultan Mosque.
Yeah, right.
So Daud, where are you going now?
There. Sultan Ahmed Ayub Sultan Mosque.
Ayub Sultan Mosque.
Yes.
How are you feeling now?
I'm so honored. I'm so blessed.
That's
Mashallah, mashallah.
nice.
So we are inside the mosque actually. There is some stuff from 8th century or 7th century like that. And also there is a footprint of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Ya ilahel alemin, devlet adamlarımızı, dinimiz, devletimiz hakkında hayırlı işler görmeye muvaffak eyle ya Rabbi. Dualarımızı kabul eyle. Amin. Velhamdülillahi Rabbil alemin. El Fatiha.
We had a plan to do breakfast first, but the time was short, so we just complete the Juma namaz, and now we're going to do the breakfast. It's kind of street food. Turkish street food. What you want to eat?
Recommend me?
Yeah, I can recommend you South Korea. As you can see that it's a very crowded place, and also here is a Turkish street food. So many people over here, so we doesn't have the place where we can sit. Look, there is Turkish street food. Yeah. Okay, dog. Give me the reaction about.
Okay. Meatball? Oh! 맛있다.
What happened?
It's good.
Oh, nice.
It's perfect for breakfast.
You can also done some bread.
With bread. It looks delicious too.
This is tradition actually.
Delicious.
Eyvallah. Eyvallah. Good.
Perfect.
This is free.
There is no free. Please keep this.
No. Please. Cheese.
Yeah, cheese. One cheese.
Two, maybe two. İki tane yapın. What?
मेरा नाम दाऊद किम है खुशी में का खुशी हुई
मुझे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
मुझे अमेरिका खुशी हुई
मुझे भी मिलकर खुशी हुई.
खुशी हुई
Nice to meet you. So how about the breakfast?
Breakfast so good. I love Turkish breakfast.
Police.
Yeah.
Bran, how are you, Bran?
United. Good morning.
Good night. Bran, you know I love you.
I love you too. Huh?
Okay. You know the Turkish?
Turkish? Biraz.
Biraz.
biraz.
Mashallah.
Mashallah.
Do you know the
how is
Urdu language?
मेरा नाम दाऊद किम है.
अच्छा.
मुझे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
मुझे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Cheeseburger? Cheese bread.
Cheese bread.
Cheese bread. Okay. Okay. You want some?
Dal.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Shut up. Cheers. 뭐가 들어가 있네?
Because cheese is always good. Money 먹어. Brain, money 먹어.
아니죠 이거.
कोई तो है जो निज़ाम हस्ती
निज़ाम हस्ती
चला रहा है वही खुदा है
Amazing.
माशाल्लाह
안 나와.
68?
How much? 68 68
별로 안 나가는데. That's normal.
59 55.9 56 Brand?
Me? Okay, 64.
64? Come on, man.
I need to gain more weight. We need to eat more. Both of us.
Brand, what are you doing, man?
Playing. Do you play any games?
Oh my god. I saw video on internet. Girl says my name is Zara. So another guy saying to my name is Adidas.
Yeah, your jacket is amazing.
Okay, you can keep it.
No, what do you mean? No, it's yours.
Bay bay. Davut ne yapıyorsun Davut?
Maşallah.
Daud and Brian stayed with us for the first night after coming from Korea. So now they have rented the house which is in Beşiktaş area, and so we are taking them there. By the way, let's back on the video. Where is the key?
Where is the key? When you will go back, or have you do the return ticket?
I will go back 14 February.
14 February, on Valentine's Day.
Guys, this is my dream camera actually. This is Canon EOS R. So personally, when I purchased the Canon M6 Mark II, I had to plan to buy this camera. You can do a lot of things with this camera. Especially, you can shoot the professional videos. At least you can shoot the music videos. So maybe we can use and do something special. Inshallah. I love you. I love you mean in Korea.
사랑합니다.
Brand. Hey brand. Saramida.
ਨਿਸ਼ਾ ਇਹ ਸੋਫਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਲੰਮਿਆਂ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਚਾਸੀ ਬੜੀ ਹੈ ਯਕੀਨ ਮੰਨ
19,000 ਦੇ ਸੋਫੇ
19,000 ਕਿਹੜਾ
19,000 ਦੇ ਸੋਫੇ ਉਹ ਟੀਵੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਮਰ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਟੀਵੀ ਬਣਾਇਆ
ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਡਾਲਰਾਂ 'ਚ 10 ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ 19,000 ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ
1400 ਡਾਲਰ
Hey bro, how are you? Thank you so much man to joining us. Hey bro. Today video in English bro. You can help me something else.
की याद करेंगे.
Bro, how are you? What's going on?
So you are speaking English with me,
Yeah,
bro.
today's video is in English bro.
So your English will be finished soon, bro. You know.
Because I doesn't speak good English language, so I'll try.
Did you face any problem after being Muslim from your family side?
ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਅਲੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਹੀ ਲੈ ਛੜੀ ਏ ਅਲੀ
Üzgünüm. Tamam. Türkçe şarkı biliyor musun?
Türkçe şarkı. Evet.
Tamam söyle.
İçim yanar yanar yanar yanar yanar.
Oy be.
İçim yanar yanar. Bunu biliyor musunuz?
Ben biliyorum. Evet. Tamam biraz daha söyle.
Kendimden kaçar yarim keskin bıçak.
Brian, you got it man, you got it. Thank you so much man. And I love you.
I love you too.
I love you so much. I love you so much, bro. And
love you
thanks to
too,
giving
bro.
me that. Thanks to giving me a time.
Yeah, sure.
And
Let's
inshallah-
see you soon, inshallah.
Inshallah, we're gonna make so many videos together, like
Yeah, of course,
short
of course,
film, you know.
Of course.
So, Brand, I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah. People spend their whole lives smiling and looking for the happinesses. Even if they get it a little bit, you can give me lot of smiles and happinesses. How you can give me? You can subscribe and support me. See you in the next video. Many prayers will remember. Allahu Akbar. Pakistan live long. Turkey live long. And also Korea live long. Bye bye.
ਤੇਰੇ ਨੀ ਕਰਾਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਨੀ ਕਰਾਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ